Okay, I'm about to go into Walmart. Again, it's the same one here in Kentucky. I usually go into at Diane Murray Boulevard near Chamberlain Lane, and I haven't gone out since the last time I videoed going to this Walmart, which has been, I haven't gone out anywhere. I have some things I got to do today. A friend's having a birthday, and they're dressing up, so I wanted to, just do some shopping. But a few days ago, the Kentucky Supreme Court unanimously ruled in favor of Andy Beshear, the governor's extension on his emergency executive orders for COVID-19, which essentially gives him full throttled permission to enforce his mask mandates. Now, he does have exemptions listed in the mandates. I have brought the laws for both the Americans with Disabilities Act for pertaining to places of public accommodation, particularly pertaining to private businesses that are open to the public. It's Title III as part of the Americans with Disabilities Act. So I printed up that particular section. It's Public Law 101-336 is a federal law that was passed July 26, 1990. And the part that I printed up is public accommodations and services operated by private entities. Title III is like Chapter 3. The other thing that I printed up and I'm bringing is the governor's order, along with the Kentucky the Kentucky statute that gives him carte blanche power to supersede the Constitution and all other laws, making it an unlawful law. Nevertheless, who's going to defend me if I get stopped when I go in and harassed for not wearing a mask? So the other thing that I am bringing is I'm armed with my face mask exempt card here, and I'll try this as a way to get in without having to give in, and let them know that I have a medical exemption. And as the very last resort, I do have the gauze face covering to give people a false sense of security about face masks, which is all that they really are, because all face mask manufacturers know that their masks do not save anybody or prevent viruses, especially COVID-19, and they print that on their packages as a disclaimer so that they are not liable if anybody should catch COVID-19 and claim that their masks did not protect them. It protects them from lawsuit. So that means that they know, and I'm sure the governors know as well, the governors of all the blue states, and their henchmen and medical sidekicks are they must know the same thing. Surgeons understand how masks work, and these don't protect anybody. Masks don't protect the general public because they are not trained in how to use PPE properly. They reuse it and many other things. So the science behind using masks is not there. But we're being forced to use medical treatments that are mandated by a governor who's not a doctor and not my doctor. So I am, offended by that, and I have my personal freedoms and rights to choose and be fully informed of any medical treatments that I opt into. And I reject the idea that I must submit to medical treatments, including vaccines. And that's even for Donald Trump, who I have supported, but with his warp speed speech that he gave the other day, that was very concerning. I hope he's not going to be implementing militarized mass forced vaccinations, because there's going to be a huge backlash on that. So I've gone off. I have gone off on my little tirade here in my rant. I am buying myself some time because I don't want to go in, and I'm worried that there's going to be masked guards again, and they're going to harass me when I go in. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully nothing will happen, and it will go very smoothly. I'm going to pause it for a moment. Don't have my big jangly keys this time around, since I'm not on the road traveling. Here we go. Truth. Hi. Ooh. We're all terrified of being close to anybody. It smells like cinnamon. No one. The masked guard just said hello. Amazing. So no one gave me a hard time. All that workup for that. Now I have to think about what I'm doing. Sometime I will sit down and read out the pertinent parts of the executive order as pertains to exemptions and the ADA Title III part for public accommodation. But for now, we're in and we're in and we're doing okay. All right. And that's a good thing. That's good. Got my laws with me, my papers. I gotta figure out what I came here for. Got my list too. Cowboy hat. I need a cowboy hat and some packing tape.